CXC results come over there. I'm just open the portal. See my skin, it's glowing. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Y'all know that it's that girl Nia, and I'm back again with another lit entry number 11. So guys, today is Monday, August the 17th, and guys, I never take up the phone and flag nothing from Friday because I wasn't feeling well. My uncle died, and well, yeah, I was crying and all, and I didn't feel to take out the phone and flag anything. But today is Monday, it's a new day, it's a new week, and I'm trying to get some content in for y'all. Anyways, y'all, look at my hair. I'm gonna wash it. I want to do it properly and stop looking homeless. So I'm gonna wash it and then I'm gonna do it probably tonight or so. But yeah guys, just checking in with y'all. I hope everything is okay with y'all, and yeah. Guys, I just collect them package, but them send me for promote. Make sure I'm the unboxing, you know. Guys, at 30 something minutes before. Am I everything? Guess and tell me. But guys, whenever the video I can stand up because time my time, I just do me here and I don't want it set out, and so but the sun is piping hot. I try to park room still, so I say by the time you don't walk, my foot them may look like me do 2 tracks. Anyways, so yeah, these are the packages. I'm going to unbox them. I reach up, I act like I want, I just put my phone and do not disturb. Cause anyways guys, just see my ear here. Yeah. When I go pose a little better video so I can see it properly. Remember see I made it, so if it look kinda funky then. Anyways, let's get into the unboxing now, guys. So this is the first one. My unboxing the one first. So it's supposed to be a little skin something. It's not secure like Korea package. Okay, how much I can think about? Yes guys, this is the Dr. Deep cream. This is the Dr. Deep cream. Now focus, yeah. Yeah, Dr. Deep cream. It's clinical texture turnover spot cream. So what me I go do for the promotion? I'm supposed to have video myself for 7 days. I use the product. Sure, the thing. South as Korea, Dr. Deep, the pure nature. Yeah, I will put it Dr. Deep genuine. So it have a sticker up here. Guys, these are promotion videos. Paid promotion. So this is the cream, yeah. And I'm gonna use it. When I'm gonna do the promo video, I'm put it on all the things in. But yeah, this is the cream. any it work good for me, I go buy it back. I go buy it. Any it work good for me, yes. But anyways, next package. That package I squeeze out. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this package, but treasure. Never saw me to this family. Maybe I know what to open the package out. No, oh, this is squeeze up. Guys, the back there give me a warm time. Boy, what time now, guys? Guys, I live in a tree now. I'm afraid. I truly live it, I'm afraid. I'm afraid of fat. God, your will I gotta be done right now. Woo! Guys, my heart string. Me heartstring, guys. And the box leave are open right now. Whew. Alright, so I don't think you can understand own nervous movie. This is the next package, the same photo. And as we say, like guys, look mama think I'm on phone. One thing. Ooh, I like this the box here. I like them. I like how they are cute and nice. This is a Centilla glow wrapping mask. I'm gonna open this. Let's see what it is. Wrapping mask. I like them. Oh, this is so cute. Guys, I don't ever see how cute this is. I probably can like lavender and purple. Oh, ooh, the packaging, the inside my attack. Yes, this is the wrapping mask. Made with pure Centilla from Madagascar. Oh, it looks like a soap thing, like, but me I do this. I saw read the panda box, but yeah, guys, this is one of the promo I'll be doing too. And this come with that one a while ago. Oh, this is like a. I'm not licensed to I go with them product. Alright, so this is what is Skin Madagascar. Yeah, the set cream. I have the sticker something on it, whatever that's for. Anyways, guys, I made the promotion. Pull them and see what they're about. So guys, I just open the portal, not just, but I open it good well now, and I thought over maths, but everything is active. Yeah, but I'm gonna do it over. So yeah, I'm not kill myself about it because that math paper, God knows I did all. So yeah, God knows best. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So today is Wednesday and me I got work. Yeah, this is the hairstyle buffet. So guys, I just use one of the product that I'm gonna get for promo on my face, and it have my face looking fabulous. I can't see properly, but it have my face looking fabulous. Only thing, the mask, I never take off the mask properly. But when I see nothing start lift up, I just take it off my face. But then other from that, it have my face a look cute and things them. So yeah, guys. So whenever I get to yesterday I done my ear. But yeah, I did get to make I'm sure no. But no, I'm never done my ear. I'm because ear. I'm gonna show you that before I see the video. So yeah.
As we sip champagne, watching purple rain. Body's insane, how could you complain? Plus I know you love my personality. I think I wanna go back to school and have my locker full of pictures of you. So give me that A in biology, I'm graduating soon. It's something about that look you give me, making me feel like I'm blood inside. It's something about that feeling you give me, I can't resist the butterflies. You need a woman holding you down whenever, wherever, however, whatever, I'll be right by your side. See, I just wanna love you, boy, if you don't mind. Just in this little game of mine. And he said, in this little game of mine. And he said, sexy in the morning, you know you turn me on, baby. You know the sunrise for you, for you. Give me the morning you wanna do, you know that I want it. But you're morning, every morning. You know the sunrise for you. Give me the morning you wanna do.
So guys, this will be the end of the video. Today's day 2, went to work, and guys, and it's so scary. I'll see my skin, it's glowing. Anyways, so yeah, just make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And it's a product that I was using, guys. This is the second promotion. So yeah. Oh guys, the item is like at bread. I'm gonna the doll here. Let's the doll here. Hello. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and tell me what you do.